When you hear the word forest, you probably think of trees. But look a little closer and you'll discover that a forest is a complex web of organisms all working together, a rich community of insects, birds, ferns, bushes, and hidden under the forest floor, a few surprises. Spreading underground is a complex network of branching mats called mycelium. Most people are more familiar with the fruiting body of the mycelium, which we know as mushrooms. Now, mushrooms, along with other members of the kingdom of fungi, aren't plants. They're actually more closely related to people than to trees. They can't produce their own food like a plant, and just like us, they need to rely on other living things for their nutrition. Because of this, many fungi form a symbiotic or mutually beneficial relationship with plants. In some instances, fungi infect tree roots, and in return for sugars on which they can feed, help the tree break down nutrients and absorb water. A recent study even found that underground networks of mycelium can transport sugars from one tree species, like a paper birch, to another, like a Douglas fir. Fungi secrete digestive juices to break down and eat surrounding food, and they decompose and recycle plant debris all year round. They return nutrients to the soil, restore the health of a forest, and filter sediments from runoff. We may think of fungi as small, but a single cubic inch of topsoil contains enough fungal cells to stretch more than 8 miles if they're placed end to end. These mycelial mats can span thousands of acres. In fact, the largest organism on Earth is actually a honey mushroom in Oregon's Blue Mountains, which forms a 2,400-acre mycelial mat and is likely over 2,200 years old. And fungi don't just help the plants survive. Beetles nibble on mushrooms, flies munch on the slime of stinkhorns, and banana slugs love oyster mushrooms. So when you're standing in a forest and you look up and you see that web of tree branches in the forest canopy, just remember that under your feet, a larger, more complex web of roots and fungi and mycelial mats is reaching out below you, holding the whole forest together.